freaking morning. It is Thursday. Wait.
No, it's
Tuesday. Why do I have such a hard time with dates? I got my Kool-Aid juicers. No sugar. What? We're going for a hike. You excited?
I mean, I guess.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
We literally need ice skates just to go on this hike.
So honestly, this was supposed to be a 3-mile hike, and we just turned around because we literally didn't even get very far because it's so slippery to slip. And the trail is probably going to be like that the whole time, so we turned around. Good afternoon. Well, I don't know what time it is, but anyway, we're back. And last time we left, we were going to go for a hike, but now we're going for a different hike because the other hike was covered in snow. So this hike is the temple hike, and very beautiful. We are very excited to do it. But yeah, this one's pretty easy. How long would you say it is, Henry? Like,
I would say it's not even a mile. It's really easy.
so yeah, I'm not even worried about it. Let's go. Follow me. Good morning, everybody. It is 7:13 on Wednesday, March, don't know the date, 18th. We were all peacefully sleeping when an earthquake hit. We are okay. It wasn't very long, but it was the scariest moment of my life. Never experienced an earthquake before. Yep, happy Wednesday. Here's an update. We keep having aftershocks, and it's quite terrifying because but we're staying strong. I'm working on my homework like a good girl, you know, trying to get things figured out for online school. But welcome back to you. Tell them us what they do to welcome. Okay, welcome back to my channel. I took a shower. It was very refreshing while I was in the shower. I was so scared there was gonna be another earthquake because we kept having aftershocks for a really long time. We had about like 10 aftershocks, they were saying, that we could feel. And they were very like, some of them were pretty like, but it was fun. They're telling us to stay indoors and not make any phone calls if we can avoid it. So we hate to see that, but airports are shut down. This was the biggest earthquake Utah has had since like 1992, 82, something like that, 28 years. So it was very intense. I'll have to sit down and explain my side of the story, and we'll get everyone's side of the story from the fam. But there has just been no break, you know. This week has just been insane, like going. It's been a week, that's for sure. But we'll stay strong. We'll keep fighting, you know, strong. Many trials create strong people, but just getting by. Welcome.
Scratch that one.
No, welcome back to my channel. It is Thursday. We got bored in quarantine, so we went out to Walmart and we bought these shoes. I saw this on TikTok, and you know, get on TikTok when you're quarantined. So what you need is these shoes. Uh-oh, they're a little dirty. And so I got a pair for me and my sister. She's gonna do them with me. And then 3 colors of spray paint. We are going to be doing hydro dipping. This will be really fun. I gotta get these leaves out of this. So what you need is a bucket. Okay, good. Can I just use water? You gotta hold my shirt, so that's fun. We got our water filled up. Listen, I don't really know if this is gonna work, but we will try. Yeah. Do you want me to do? No! I don't want this! open. I can't get it open.
You do it from the things.
Okay. I feel like we need more.
I think we need more pink. And more pink.
Leah. I can't get it open. Just kind of go, you know, follow your heart. Put it whatever you want.
I think that went well. Should we
Do
dip?
it? I'm scared.
Me too.
We're gonna do one dip at a time.
How long do we have to like?
I don't know. But okay, forget it. Okay, so then you take your shoe and you put it in
Careful of
where you want. And then you're supposed to just go like this.
You're gonna get spray paint on your hands.
They said the TikTok said to do this. Well, this isn't working. This is not what happened to TikTok.
Yeah, it's kind of working.
Yeah, it's working.
You guys should have just spray painted them like me.
We're gonna have to like spray and
Go.
glitter.
That's actually really
That's
cool.
actually pretty cool.
That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah! It's disgusting. I can't get it off. There you go. That's pretty cool. That looks pretty cool.
So we're gonna have to reapply it.
Like, try not to put it on the cement.
Put on the sack.
No, that looks good, actually.
That's gonna ruin it.
Oh, this is gross. Wow, okay, we'll get back to you on the final product, okay? Welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday. Hope you guys have had a good week. This week was a little crazy, but we finished strong. And yeah, it's been a good day. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you tune in next week for another fun adventure with Emma B. Beautiful day here in Bountiful, Utah. Yeah, so have a great Sabbath day. Bye.